Good day to each and everyone. I am Father Elmer Sumile. As you can see, this is Sambales. Uh, Previously, this has been the mining site, Sambale Mining. It's June 16, 2025. I am making this as a manifestation of my solidarity with the ongoing program of the 10th year ongoing program of the Laudato Si uh, program of the late Pope Francis. We have been here. If you can see this vast open land, this was once a mountain, a mining site. And that one is Pasunangka Park, the very big. This is a testament how uh, the devourment, the destruction, or not destruction, the use of Mother Nature by getting its mineral, gold, copper, and iron. But somehow now it's barren, barren indeed. Maybe a great reminder that we need not be greedy, but rather be stewards of God's creation. We can hopefully productively make the most of what we can, of what God has given us as part of creation. So somehow, uh, this area, 60s, 70s, ata, 50s, this has been mined. My mining site dito. Silsila made a video documentary about this Sambales mining. But this is the trail area. No? That's why this matters to me and Zamboanga trail runners na we are making this as a trail track. No? So what can we learn from this? For me, in the silence, the nature, Mother Nature have given us so much. And in this way, we are invited to be in communion. And this is a moment for me to disconnect in order to reconnect, to live life to the fullest with the Lord in this nature. Maybe that's what Laudato Si is asking us, challenging each one of us to be with one with nature, not nature be one with man's greed, with man's longing to explore, discover what God has given. May this be an opportunity to be in awe, to really see this vast horizon that is in our sight. So, somehow I am really in awe to be with Mother Nature today.